everyone, it's Lisa. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I created Christmas nails using Madam Glam gel polishes. So if there's something you'd like to see, stay tuned.
I ordered 7 different polishes. They look a lot like fall colors. There's some spring colors in here also. First up, I have So Delicious. And guys, I'm going to swatch them for you. Peachy. I think that's a cute color. No Taboo, which is similar to Peachy, but I believe it's a little lighter. Next up is Sangria. That's so cute. Chalet Sessions, which is like a silver color. Also, we have French Alps, more of a white color. Enchanted Sky, it's like clear with glitter pieces.
Okay, let's get into this video. I'm going to start out by removing the crystals from my previous set. I done this set a few weeks ago. And I'll be leaving the names and links to everything I'm using today in the description box below.
While using my e-file, I realized that I had a whole lot of lifting on my right hand. So what I did was I used my hand clipper to remove some of the acrylic that was around the cuticle area, and my e-file to try to remove as much as I can get. Then I gently push back the cuticles, gently, however you say it, gently push back the cuticles. It looks like I'm being very rough, but I'm not. The video is sped up for your viewing convenience. So yeah, do it gently.
After I have glued my tips on, I start shaping and filing the tips into the shape that I want my nails to be. Okay guys, since these are Christmas nails, let's get into the Christmas spirit. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, I won't sing no more. And once I'm finished shaping and filing my tips, it's time to put on the acrylic. And right here is where I had all that lifting on my right hand. So we're gonna cover that up with acrylic. So for my acrylic today, I'll be using Young Nails clear acrylic and also the Mia Secret pink acrylic powder. Okay ladies, today I'll be using Young Nails Protein Bond, Mia Secret Nail Primer, and Mia Secret Nail Prep Hydrator. I'll also be using Young Nails Monomer, in which I'm almost out of it. I use it a lot. Usually I start out with cleaning off my brush, making sure I don't have any leftover acrylic in there. Sometimes you can forget to clean it and then have leftover acrylic. So make sure it's all out before you start. After putting on my dehydrator and both primers, I start laying down the acrylic. sure that you don't have any dips and holes when you lay your acrylic. Like I have here, I have a dip, I have a huge dip right here. So what I'm going to do is fill that dip in so that I won't have a lot to do when I start to file my nails down. Never do the one bead method because it's hard for me to do the one bead method on my own nails. If I was doing someone else's nails, I could do the one bead method. But while I'm doing my own nails, you probably would never see me doing it because it's impossible for me to do it. I've tried it. So, but that's fine too. If you don't know how to do the one bead method, you can put multiple beads on there, on your nail tips. So, start out with one bead, fill in, and then another bead, and fill that in. Even if you have to use 7 or 8 beads, that's fine. You're doing your own nails, and you can do a lot of filing or a lot less filing by, just placing it in the right spot, making sure you use your brush to spread the acrylic evenly. So let's see how many beads it takes for me to complete my pinky. Already did one. This one is number 2. I place the bead on, pat, pat, pat. I get it looking the way it's supposed to look. 3 wasn't in the shot, but it is. That's number 3. And 4. It took 4 beads to complete this pinky. Yay, I'm done. What you just saw me complete in a minute, trust me, it took an hour and a half to get this far. Once I'm done shaping and filing, it's time to get to the fun part. I'll be using Madame Glam's Chalet Sessions. I'll be using 2 coats of this and curing in between both coats. I love the shimmer in this color. Pretty. Next, I'll be using Madame Glam's French Alps and also the gelin in the color red. The number on the gelin polish is 172. Okay, I'm going to start freestyling. I'm going to use this pretty red gelin red polish for my lines. I'm going to start placing 2 lines on my thumb and then use this brush to crispen up the lines. I just dip it in some acetone and go for it. And once I got the red lines looking the way I want them to look, I start on my white lines using the French elf from Madame Glam. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I cured the red lines before I started on the white lines. So make sure you cure before you start on a different color. If you don't, your colors will mix and you will not like the way it looks, girl. No. Okay, here I'm using the Madame Glam's clear top coat. You could use any top coat for this. I just happen to have Madame Glam right here. So I'm using that. And then I'm going to take this silver glitter and just pour it all over my nails. Just pour it. Wait, what happened to the thumb? I'll show you how the thumb turned out when I'm done putting some more of the chalet section on the rest of my fingernails. I'm going to top coat all the nails, and after that, cure. After that, I'll be using this Model 1's nail glue to place some crystals on this design. I feel like crystals would make this design pop. I'm going to place down a line of glue in the same shape as the white and red and silver glitter. Then I'm going to start placing these crystals right into that glue. It should come out the same shape as the lines I just made. to that. Cure. I feel so cute. We're gonna add some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. The red is so cute. The silver is beautiful. The crystals, I like it. And here's that thumb I promised you guys. Aw, we're at the end of the video. I know you hate for me to leave. But now that we've come to the end of the video, I'm gonna ask one favor from you guys. Click on that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.